Number 1. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,500. This truck has approximately 92,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a clean gray interior and runs and drives perfectly, showing a strong engine and reliable overall performance. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it comfortable and easy to drive in both work and everyday situations. The truck is equipped with a fully functional snowplow, adding extra value and making it well suited for winter conditions or heavy-duty tasks. The interior is clean, well kept, and shows minimal wear for its age, reflecting good care over the years. With its long bed, this F-150 offers plenty of cargo space and practicality. Number 2. 1994 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 EFI gasoline engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, providing reliable power and comfortable cruising on the highway. The truck has approximately 164,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior that stands out nicely, complemented by a clean gray vinyl interior. This vehicle comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax, indicating a solid ownership history. It has been fully inspected and serviced, making it ready for daily driving or light work use. With its automatic transmission, strong V8 engine, and classic Ford styling, this 1994 Ford F-150 offers a balance of reliability, practicality, and timeless pickup truck appeal. Number 3. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, equipped with a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 252,000 miles on the odometer. The truck runs and drives excellent, showing strong and smooth performance both on the road and around town. Finished in a silver exterior with a matching silver interior, it offers a clean and classic look, and it runs on gasoline. The vehicle is fitted with working heat and air conditioning, ensuring comfort in all driving conditions. It also features a Sony double-din radio with Android Auto, providing modern connectivity and entertainment. The tires are approximately 2 years old and still have plenty of tread remaining, contributing to a confident and stable ride. As common with many Chevrolet trucks of this era, there is typical rust present in the cab corners and rocker panels, which has been factored into the overall condition. Number 4. 1986 Ford F-150, price $10,000, two-wheel drive pickup with an automatic transmission and a 347-stroker V8 gasoline engine. The odometer recently passed 100,000 miles and currently shows approximately 100,400 miles, which may increase with use. It features a red exterior and red interior, both in very good condition for its year. The truck is equipped with headers, making it loud and fun to drive. The body is straight with no rust on the body or undercarriage. The interior is clean and well maintained, including a GT steering wheel, and all lights, signals, manual windows, and the radio function properly. It runs and drives well, shifts smoothly through all gears, has no leaks underneath, and sits on 15-inch American racing wheels with good tires. The truck comes with a clean and clear title. Number 5. 1995 Ford F-150, price $9,500, equipped with a 4.9L straight-six fuel-injected gasoline engine paired with a floor-mounted 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 112,000 original miles, averaging only about 3,800 miles per year, and has been owned for over 25 years. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior, a manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The engine does not burn oil and runs well, offering decent fuel economy. The truck retains its original paint and is completely rust-free, with no dents and no accident history, though it does have some minor scratches and nicks consistent with age. Maintenance and updates include a replaced headliner, belts, spark plugs, fuel pump, shocks, distributor, and several other small components. It sits on good tires and remains largely all original, making it a well-preserved and honest example of a classic F-150. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,200, equipped with a 305 V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, running on gasoline. The truck has just under 240,000 miles and features a white exterior with a burgundy interior. It has been in the same family for many years and is reasonably clean for its age, with a good dash and clean rockers and corners. It does need a body or cab mount, or it could be shimmed, and there is a dent on the passenger side door. The bed is not perfect but looks good from a distance. The interior has been cleaned, the seats rebuilt, and a brand new headliner installed, though the headrests are darker due to staining. Recent updates include a new windshield and seal, along with repainting of the roof and fenders due to peeling paint. The truck retains its original engine, transmission, and rear end. Number 7. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,350, with 205,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a gray exterior paired with a gray interior. It is mechanically sound and runs and drives very well, although the body is not perfect. There is some minor rust on the body, but no rust elsewhere on the truck. Recently serviced, the vehicle has received a fresh oil change, a new water pump, new antifreeze, and a new battery. The tires are like new, and the interior has been fully detailed. The push-button 4WD system is fully functional, making this truck a great option for work, hunting, farming, or general utility use. Powered by a strong 6.0L engine and paired with a 4L80 transmission, this Chevrolet 2500 offers dependable performance and capability for a variety of needs. Number 8. 1980 Ford F150, price $4,000, classic truck equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive vintage look. The truck comes with complete paperwork, including the original bill of sale dating back to 1980 through the present, documenting ownership from the past 2 owners. It is outfitted with a functional winch system, integrated shelving, and a built-in sleeping area, making it well-suited for work, camping, or overland-style use. While the vehicle does show some cosmetic body damage consistent with its age, it remains clean overall and has been well cared for, especially considering its vintage status. Number 9. 1981 Ford Ranger, price $3,500. This truck has traveled approximately 93,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. It features a gray exterior paired with a distinctive red interior. The truck is powered by a strong-running V8 engine and comes in the desirable Ranger XLT trim, offering a more comfortable and well-appointed interior for its class. Overall, this Ranger is a true driver that runs and drives well, starting up easily and ready to be driven home. The frame is structurally sound, showing only manageable surface rust with no major rot or structural concerns. With its classic Ford F150 rumble, solid condition, and XLT trim, this truck is an excellent candidate for a fun weekend cruiser or a restoration project. Number 10. 1966 Ford F250, price $7,900. This truck shows 70,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a black interior and runs on gasoline. The body is in solid condition with straight panels, no major dents, and no major rust noted. It is powered by a 352 V8 engine and upgraded with a 1968 C8 automatic transmission. This 2WD truck starts easily, idles clean, and sounds strong, with smooth operation and good throttle response. Recent maintenance completed this year includes a new fuel filter, fuel pump, carburetor accelerator pump, and transmission filter. The truck comes with a clean Utah title in the owner's name.